Today on the Stay-at-Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make takeout cashew chicken. Every time I make this dish, there are no leftovers. It's super easy to make and it's far better than takeout. You guys, seriously, it's so easy to make. In under 30 minutes, you'll have dinner on the table, and that's faster than waiting for takeout. To start, we're going to make our sauce. In a small bowl, add in half a cup of water and 3 tablespoons of hoisin sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. I recommend using a low-sodium soy sauce if you can. Then 1 tablespoon of chili garlic sauce, which you can find in the Asian aisle. Then add in 1 tablespoon of ginger and 2 tablespoons of garlic, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, and 1 tablespoon of honey. And now stir this all together until it's well combined. I promise you guys, this sauce is 100 times better than an Asian takeout place. Or maybe it's 1,000 times better. You decide. Like and subscribe. Now that we're done with the sauce, we're going to set it aside and get a sharp knife so we can get chopping. We're going to cut up 1 cup of broccoli florets. Once cut up, go ahead and put those in a bowl. If you want to use frozen florets, feel free to. They are pretty convenient. Then we're going to take our red and green bell pepper and cut those into strips. A trick to cutting bell peppers fast is to cut them straight down the center. And then you're going to either cut or simply pluck off that top stem. Then I like to simply wipe and tap out the seeds. Skin side down, we're just gonna slice this into some strips. If you've got a really tall bell pepper, go ahead and cut those strips in half. They're more bite-size friendly. And then place those in the same bowl as the broccoli. Then let's get to cutting up 2 pounds of chicken. Go ahead and use chicken breast or chicken thighs. We're looking for bite-sized pieces. Then place that cut up chicken into its own medium-sized bowl. Then to our chicken, we're going to add 1/4 cup of cornstarch, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Then use your hands or a spoon and make sure everything, all that chicken, gets coated. Be sure to take your time on this part because you really want that coating to cover all of that chicken so it is perfectly fried. Then give your hands a good wash and let's head to the stove. Get a large wok or skillet and heat that up over medium-high heat. To that heated skillet or wok, we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of sesame oil and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Then carefully add that chicken right into the oil. Then cook, stir, and toss that chicken until it starts to brown up, which is usually about 8 to 10 minutes. Once the chicken's browned, add in a bowl of chopped vegetables, along with 2 tablespoons of garlic, and give this a great big stir. Let your vegetables saute alongside your chicken for about 5 minutes or until they get more tender, and be sure to occasionally stir that. Our vegetables have softened up a bit, so now we're going to add in 1 cup of cashews. Add in the sauce and continue to cook for 8 to 10 more minutes, stirring occasionally, and you'll see that that sauce thickens up nicely. Once done, serve that up on some rice, garnish with some green onions, and you are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description below. Also, be sure to check out thestayathomechef.com, where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.